Welcome to Wheeler Fleet Solutions, headquarters in Somerset, Pennsylvania. Our campus consists of 5 buildings, over 300,000 square foot, which includes engineering, research, warehousing, and administrative functions. I'm Bryce McClay, Director of North American Sales. Wheeler Fleet Solutions supports various customer segments, including our commercial fleet customers, our e-commerce customers, and the United States Postal Service. We not only provide parts, we provide solutions to our customers with our unique capabilities. Here at Wheeler, what differentiates us is our in-house engineering department, which includes 3D printing, our CAD design, our research and development department, and our quality control.
I'm Dee Keel. I am Senior Director of USPS Sales and Customer Service. We supply automotive replacement parts to the Postal Service in all of their locations. The Postal Service has 245,000 vehicles in their fleet, and we support every one of those platforms with replacement parts. It's our responsibility to make sure that our customers have parts on their shelves when they need them in their stockroom. One thing that sets Wheeler apart is our customer service. We are very dedicated to our customers. When our customer needs a part or has a problem, they call Wheeler Fleet Solutions first.
We started in 1960 here in Somerset, Pennsylvania as a starter and alternator rebuilder. Now we are a primary leader in the automotive and the heavy-duty trucking industry.